Thanks for stopping by again to my channel. So here we are. Today I bought the new air humidifier, or it's known as oil diffuser. It has various name and it has various purpose to use for. So whatever you need is. But I like the fragrance and the mist which comes out from that diffuser, and that creates a wonderful and ecstatic environment in your room. So let's see what's there inside. Hope you're all doing great today, and really looking forward to you guys to give you a proper solution for this product, because I'm also new into this and never used it. I just found it in the airport while traveling through, and from there only I got this. So I got it from the London airport. So this is the manual, I guess. See, this is the original, the real name, the Essential Oil Diffuser, and that's the layout. It's only about 11 watts, which doesn't consume much power or much electricity. And when it operates, it really looks soothing. You know, you will find it in the spa and when the massage is going on, massage parlors. So this is an international version which I got here. So I need an adapter for this to connect to my Indian port. So if you like to buy it, you will find the link in the description for buying it on Amazon.in or eBay. You can find it everywhere. And if you need to ask anything, anytime, you just comment below, and I will get back to you very soon. So there are only two buttons, as I see, one for the light and one for the mist. And it's really light, super light. There the power adapter pin, I guess, for the charger. It's having a white which looks great to me, at least. So maybe most of you are unfamiliar with this, therefore not to worry, friends. I'm here with you to introduce this thing, this new device, which I found it on the airport, and it really looks sexy, believe me. So this is the PowerPoint for the device, which is at the bottom. So it has proper inlet, so you don't have any problem while it's operating, and it sits down very smooth and like operates very smooth. You need to have an adapter for this kind of pins. So this is the US pins which I got. So there is a my my each of every device is from US port. So I installed the whole electricity board, which supports this plug points. So this is the water or the cup holder in which you put the water and the oil, essential oils. It's the maximum line. Don't cross the line, because it will create some sort of electricity. any technical issues. That's why they put it here for your own safety. Always find the safety rules very carefully while you're operating any electric equipments or devices. So here I got the essential oil. Just add 2 drops of it. You'll find many kinds of varieties or many kinds of like essential oils in the market, like sandalwood, rosemary, vanilla. There are too many kinds available in the market. So, oops, I'm sorry. This is my first time. That's why. So after you put, just switch on the power light for the mist and the light button. You can see the green light is for the soft, and it stops like every 7 seconds, and 3 seconds mist. So, and the red light is continuous mist. So it's like automatic. When your water get to the lowest level, it stops automatically. You don't need to switch off, or if you forget to switch off and if you go back to sleep, there is no issues. It will stop automatically. No problem at all. So it's pretty simple, and it's pretty, it's no looking. There are 7 LED colors which will change randomly, and I find it very sexy. You can see the color changing from blue to red to pink and white. It will change randomly, so you don't need to touch any buttons for the color changing options. And if you want also, you can do it by pressing 2 times. So everything is in the manual. You need to check the manual every time you open up a new device or for installation. It's everything there in the manual. Just check it once before you operate any kind of electric device. Personally, I recommend it to everyone. See, it changes the whole kind of atmosphere in your bedroom. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by again to my channel.